Okay, let's see. Mans is a caseworker.
Yes, ma'am.
PJ picked
I'm
it
here.
in. I see. And they are wanting to adopt him. They're having delayed birth certificate issues. So what do we need to work on today for PJ?
Miss Payne is in here as well as ma'am. She's our foster mother. Right now, the birth certificate issue hopefully is about to be ended. We have court before Judge Stubbs later this month, who was supposed to for the birth certificate. The vital statistics came back to us and said all the information that had been submitted was not enough for a birth certificate, and they needed a specific order from district court to be able to issue one. Ms. Vanna has been working pretty hard with vital statistics. There's a specific form that the order needs to be on. It doesn't look like a regular order, and there's a specific form that has to be used to set up the court date. Ms. Vanna has gotten both of those. We have a court date with Judge Stubbs. Hopefully he will sign that order for us, and that order will get us a birth certificate. Once the
That's
order
the stupidest thing, considering I hear these cases.
Yes, ma'am, but without meaning disrespect, they don't recognize the jurisdiction of an associate judge.
Well, that's good, considering we do all the adoptions and everything else. So that kind of doesn't make any sense.
I agree with you 100%, and I think the Bureau of Vital Statistics is the most ancient, decrepit, unhelpful agency in the state of Texas. But we have to bend to
Well,
their
no,
will.
I'm not. I kind of agree, but there's some other ones I have a problem with, and you know which one that is. But yeah, no, that's just beyond stupid.
I will not disagree with you, Your Honor. But once we do get the order from the district court, I of course don't know what VBS's or BBS's timeline is to get us a birth certificate. After that, it would be nice if it was pretty quick. But
yeah, you know that.
Yes, ma'am. I understand. So I will. I do need to thank Ms. Vanna though. She really got on the warpath with them and had a bunch of meetings, I guess telephonically as well as video, with vital statistics, figure out exactly what was needed, and she's gone full force on this. So Mr. Arredondo, please thank your new assistant county attorney for me.
I will, Your Honor. It's one of those situations where you got to play right in that person's inbox. And although we'd already gone through this rigmarole and gotten orders, they said not good enough. We got to do it the way we want it. And so Ms. Vanna is exactly what Max is indicating. Got the bull by the horns. It is in the process of getting this done. We should have our order very shortly, and then hopefully we'll have our birth certificate.
Well, tell them what I think about him. I'm not going to say on Zoom, but that's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and like waiting on birth certificates for children that are born in bathtubs, and that kind of situation that we have in other counties. But okay, we're back, PJ.